Hi everyone, and welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. I am preparing for a no-cook weekend. So today I make an egg and vegetable frittata with salmon patties. I used a 14.75 ounce can of pink salmon. To that I added pepper, salt, garlic, and paprika. I then added green peppers and red onions. And this is homemade breadcrumbs that I made in the blender by allowing the bread to sit out for a day to dry and then blending it up. And finally, 1 egg to hold everything together. Now thoroughly mix all of the ingredients, making sure that it is well blended. Here I am checking for consistency, making sure that the mixture will hold its form. I will be using my cast iron frying pan to fry the salmon patties. To it, I add a little bit of oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Now, the canned salmon is already cooked, so I am really only interested in browning the patties and getting a somewhat crispy texture. These patties will be reheated in the toaster oven over the weekend. Here, I shape the salmon patties. The number of patties you get will depend on the size you make them. I do not like the patties too big, nor do I like them really small. So this is about mid-size for me. I was able to form 10 salmon patties out of the 14.75 ounce of canned salmon. But to keep this video short, I only record me cooking the first 5. But you will see how all 10 turned out when we get to that point. While I wait on the salmon patties to brown, I start preparing the egg and vegetable frittata. I start off by cracking 8 eggs. You can reduce or increase this dish size depending on the size of your family and how many days you plan on eating it. I then add pepper, salt, and garlic to the egg mixture. Play around with the seasoning by adding oregano or rosemary or thyme or whatever other seasoning you like. After preparing the egg and vegetable frittata, I turn my attention back to the salmon patties. The first side is brown, so time to flip to brown the other side. That flip was not smooth, but that's okay. Take the time out to enjoy these funny moments. Here are all 10 cooked salmon patties. Now I return back to the egg and vegetable frittata. To the egg mixture, I add red onions for additional color, a nice amount of diced green peppers, and diced tomatoes. This dish is meant to be changed up. I do not add the same vegetables to my egg frittata. I mainly use what is available from the garden, or what we have in the freezer or canned. This bag of mixed greens was available to us in very early spring. They were from the winter garden. They were harvested and frozen for consumption during the spring-summer while we plant and wait until our summer vegetables were ready to be harvested. And then I topped it off with cheese and just a little bit more cheese, and then salt and pepper and fresh garlic. That's pretty much it. Egg frittata is a very quick and easy dish to make. You can also roast the vegetables before adding them to the egg mixture to add more flavor to this dish. Now grease a pan and add the mixture, then bake in the oven at 365 degrees Fahrenheit. This took about 45 minutes to an hour to bake, but it all depends on how much you make. You know when the frittata is done when you can stick a toothpick in the very center and it comes out clean. And here is the finished product. I ended up making buttermilk biscuits that Friday to go with this meal. And although the buttermilk biscuits did not turn out that nice golden brown color that I am used to, they taste great, and there was enough left over for future meals. For dinner, I made garlicky cheesy mashed potatoes with chives using the white potatoes I canned from the garden. Click on the links to watch those videos. The fish was marinated in a lemon caper mixture and grilled by my husband. I made a lemon butter gravy to go on top of the fish. Let me know down in the comments if you would like to see more of these no-cook weekend meals. And as always, like, share, and subscribe to help this channel grow.